welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a recipe for homemade saltine crackers. This is surprisingly simple, however, it is a tiny bit tricky, but saltines are, although Germans love their crackers, saltines are not their favorite. So they're a teensy bit hard to find, unless you go to like a Dutch store. They tend to like them. But in general, they're a little bit hard to find, so I decided to make my own. Let's get started. Very few ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, half a cup or 100 milliliters of oil, 2/3 cup or 150 milliliters of warm water, 1 teaspoon dry yeast, 1½ teaspoons salt, oil and salt or herbs to sprinkle on top depending on what you want to top them with. First, combine water, yeast, and a heaping tablespoon of flour. Then, in a large mixing bowl, combine flour and salt. Stir in oil and water mixture. Finish combining by kneading. The dough will be quite thick and reminiscent of noodle dough. Allow to rise about 1½ hours. Then roll the dough out as thin as you can on a piece of parchment paper. These will be perfect if you ran them through a noodle press. In fact, mine were a touch thicker than I would recommend. I used a ravioli cutter to cut the edges of the crackers into squares and used a fork to press holes into them. Then I brushed them with oil and sprinkled salt on top. Here's where you can add any topping you prefer. Parmesan cheese or seasoned salt would make a great topping. Bake for 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes, or until the crackers are just beginning to brown and are no longer shiny. These crackers are lovely and crisp. Mine are a touch thick, as I mentioned, so if you have a noodle press, this will be a great recipe to use it on. Keep them in a sealed container for up to a week. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.